Welcome to my space. Welcome to my yoga mat. I am so excited to get a chance to talk about some fun stuff with you today. So my name is Stephany McMillan, and I'm a yoga instructor, and I want to journey through yoga with you today. So we're going to go to our mats. We're going to sit down. We're going to have a lot of fun. Are you ready? All right, friends. So today we're going to talk about feelings and emotions. So I bet you have felt a few different feelings and different types of emotions. Something to the tune of angry or mad, or really excited, or sad. Maybe you've had tears come. Or maybe you've just been very calm, cool, and collected. No matter how you feel right now, it is okay. Let's just journey through where we are, accept how you feel, and we're going to do some yoga to help us get through. Does that sound good to you? Can I get 2 thumbs up? All right, well, let's get started. So first, we're going to get started with our breath. So using your right hand, place your right hand over your heart. Take a full breath in through your nose. Exhale, let it go. And then using your left hand, place your left hand over your belly and take a full breath in and let it go. So now you can feel your heartbeat and you can feel your breath moving your belly up and down. Take 3 breaths here, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And one more time, breathing in and breathing out. Very good. Awesome job, guys. Give yourself another 2 thumbs up. All right, let's move on. Okay, so our first pose for today is going to be what we call child's pose. And this pose is super cool because it actually resembles the spine that you should have when you were a little baby. So it's very comforting for your body and it makes you feel nice and safe and warm. So while you are in this pose, I really want you to think about, how do I feel in child's pose? Am I breathing? Do I feel okay? So we're going to get into child's pose now. Ready? Here we go. So roll over onto all fours. This is our tabletop position, okay? So from here, bring your big toes to touch and bring your knees nice and wide, just as wide as your yoga mat. And then you're going to send your hips towards your heels, reaching your hands forward, fingers are spread wide. You're going to press your chest towards your yoga mat and drop your forehead or nose down. And while you're here, you can close your eyes, you can dream, you can be who you want to be. Just think about how you feel. And remember to breathe. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it go. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let it go. So whenever you begin to feel upset or frustrated, or when you feel really tightness in your chest, remember these 2 things, breathe and child's pose. Take a second to drop down, get into your child's pose when you're upset, mad, or angry, you're just a little frustrated, and just breathe. Pivot your left foot towards the front of your mat. Then bend the left knee. We have just pivoted into a warrior two on the left side. Awesome job. Here we go. Hold it here and breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, now let's see if we can do this. Can you pivot back to the right leg? Here we go. Boom. Awesome, y'all. Breathe. All right, now we're going to pivot back to the left side. Here we go. Boom. Breathe. Bring your hands to your hips. Straighten both legs. Take a pause. Feel the energy shining through your head. You're standing tall. You're strong. So proud of you. All right, friends. So our next one is going to be a balancing pose. So we've done warrior two. Now we're going to jump into warrior three. So I know that you can do it. You know that you can do it. Let's go. So stand with both feet right under your hips. Okay, standing nice and tall. Bring your hands to heart center. It's so wonderful to have your hands here to make sure that you're balanced, right? And if you get a little shaky, you can always bring your hands to your hips or bring them nice and wide like you're flying an airplane. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Bring your hands to heart center. Okay? Lift the right knee, bend it, flex the right foot. Now you're going to tilt your torso forward. Okay? When you do that, the right leg will extend behind you. And breathe. Hold it here. You may wobble a little bit. That's okay. Laugh. Have fun. And if you can bring your hands all the way down, kudos to you. And then when you're ready, slowly come back to standing position. Yay! Awesome job! All right, now left side. Lifting the left knee, flexing the left foot. Okay? We're going to tilt forward. Straighten the left leg behind you, flexing the left foot. And breathe. We're balancing. Remember how I said you could fly like an airplane? Bring your arms wide. If you can bring your arms all the way down, awesome. Give yourself a smile. And bring your hands back to heart center. Place the left leg back. Always take a moment to let your body adjust. So pause. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out. Okay, let's do that one more time. That was kind of fun. So we're going to go a little quicker. Here we go. Lift the right knee. Hinge forward. Straighten that right leg. Flex the right foot. Breathe. You can fly if you want. You can flap your wings. And then when you're done, it's rise. And then we're going to do the left side. Lift the left knee. Flex the left foot. Hinge forward. Warrior three. Extend the leg behind you. Flex the foot. If you want to fly, fly like an eagle. Bring your hands to heart center and rise. Take a pause, right? Remember, always pause. Does your body good. Take a full breath in and let it go. Two thumbs up, y'all. Awesome job! All right, we have come to the end of our yoga class. Oh, you guys really rocked it out today. Good job, y'all. So now we're going to take our final resting pose, Shavasana. Such a relaxing pose. Go ahead, get comfy and cozy, lie down on your mat, and let's prepare to rest. Relax your body. Today we talked about feelings. We all experience different feelings, from mad to sad, excited, angry, happy. All of those feelings are okay to experience. Just remember to always come back to your breath. Breathe all the time, everywhere, anytime. Your breath is the most important thing. So as long as you can feel your breath, you are in good shape. Let's rest here. Take a full breath in through your nose. Exhale, let it go from your mouth. Full breath in and let it go. Wiggle the body, get some gentle movement going. And then let's just give ourselves a big hug. So bring your arms wide and then hug the shoulders. Just be here and breathe. And then when you're ready, meet me in a seated position on your yoga mat. Thank you for coming to Yoga Playground with me. Thank you for journeying through this yoga practice with me. I have so much fun with you, and I can't wait until next time. Until then, remember to feel what you feel, listen to what you feel, and always breathe through it all. Now let's say our favorite word. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Thank you, friends. See you next time.